Though, let me take a quick zip. Isn't that cool? Actually, I don't know if that's cool. It's just, it is what it is.
It is what it is. It's burnouts.
I'll take a quick little zip myself. And I'll try not to die, people. I'm doing this one hand. All right, people. I'm here with Tyler. His YouTube is T-Rowan, T-R-O-W-A-N. And he's, I like to say, like a mad scientist. You know, the guy knows everything about electric bikes. He's a freaking genius. So he created a couple bikes. Let's take a look at him. So if you've been watching my channel and you see my Cab Eagle, he made one that's very similar. It kind of has like a stealth body, and it's got a 72 volt battery. It's got rated at 2,000 watt mid drive, but he said he has it running at like, what do you say, like 10,000, 12,000 amps?
Yeah, 10 to 13 kilowatt.
10 to 13
bursts.
kilowatt peak bursts.
So, somewhere in that range.
And we just went for some riding, and it was freaking awesome. And he kept up with me on my my Cab Eagle. And he also made this.
What do you call this? It's just a terrible idea on two wheels?
The
That's really what
Frankenstein
this
bike,
is.
maybe? It's like, I mean, just take a look at this, people. It's comical, but I love it because I'm so not a visual frills guy either. I really don't care what things look like. I'm all about function. And let's just look at this. I mean, it's got zip ties. It's got, I see some bubble gum. I see a paper clip. I see a toothpick. I think I see a panty liner. And why don't you talk about it a little bit? Like what you got?
So I just had the dumb idea to buy the cheapest folding bike you can find on Amazon. It's 99 bucks. And convert it to electric. So I also bought the cheapest 48 volt battery you can buy on Amazon. And I got a cheap 1,000 watt hub motor kit. So this is 1,000 watts crammed into the front wheel, which is also a terrible idea of this cheap Chinese folding bike. So a lot of power in a small package and in the front.
Why is it a bad idea in the front?
Just you lose traction. For stability purposes, it's not ideal. When you gun it, if you're turning at all based on the wheelbase, you can wash out real easy. I've taken some spills on this thing.
I never would have thought of that.
Yeah, it's.
What if you had a better grip on the front tires? Would that have mattered?
Yeah, you can put more weight up front, right?
Too.
You could put weight. You could put your battery right on the front, but that would be also terrible because now you've got all this weight.
Yeah,
right
that's true. You don't want
front.
that.
So there's not a real great way to win here. You know, it's just.
And why did you pick this frame?
It's the cheapest frame you can get on Amazon.
Oh, that's
the
true.
cheapest one.
It's actually surprisingly, people, a lot like, it looks a lot like my Luna folding bike. Very similar, you know?
Yeah.
But it's wonky. I mean, I will say Tyler's Enduro, let's call it,
Sure.
it's pretty slick, you know? I mean, it's a little wonky, but it's fast, it's torquey as hell, it's got grip, it's got incredible regen. This thing is just...
Yeah.
I don't know what you call it, but
it serves no real purpose other than I did it for the lulz.
Yeah,
I did it for the hell of it.
He did it just because he could. You know what I mean?
Outrageous.
But it's not the most stable.
No,
it's kind of
brakes are trash.
sketchy, if you will. The brakes are loud as hell. Here, let's have.
Yeah.
You want to take a quick zip on it?
Sure.
We'll have, Tyler, you're 6'1".
Yeah, I'm about 6'1".
We'll have Tyler take a little zip on it.
On this bike too.
And you'll hear it because it's freaking loud. The freaking brakes.
Burnouts in your driveway? Probably not. Not a good idea.
It's really.
Oh, the chain fell.
Oh, the
off.
chain fell off already.
That's right. We don't need
That's
a chain
perfect.
where we're going.
Look at that. Because it's a hub motor, he doesn't even need the chain. If you have a mid-drive, you obviously need the chain. But there you go. I mean, thing's got some freaking power. It's got brilliant brakes. Loud as hell. You don't need a horn when you have brakes like that. Right? It's got some power, though. Let me take a quick zip. Look at that, Isn't that cool? Actually, I don't know if that's cool. It's just, it is what it is.
It is what it is. It's burnouts.
I'll take a quick little zip myself. And I'll try not to die, people. I'm doing this one-handed, and it's got, oh man, it's torquey as hell. So I'm like riding this with one hand, people. And oh boy, I almost hit a freaking car. And there you have it. So he's got, you know, some interesting componentry up here. He's got a little screen that somehow works, but it doesn't seem to be working right now. And it's just a DIY, you know, do it yourself. It's like the ultimate DIY. And I just love love, love, love that he doesn't give a shit what it looks like. Look at this, people. Are you guys seeing this crap? It's got like duct tape written all over. Like if duct tape was gonna have a commercial, it would use this bike and it would say this is what these bikes is held together with. You know what I mean? So anyway, this is one example of what Tyler is capable of, and we're gonna have some more videos with him because he's kind of like, he knows a lot of stuff about this space, a lot, and can build, can modify, he knows hacks, speed hacks. The guy can pretty much, instead of like buying a part, he just builds the part. He didn't, let's go look at, he didn't have a kickstand on this Enduro. So he freaking bought / welded one and made it himself.
It's just a cheap Amazon kickstand. I chopped it. It was too tall before, and then I just welded a butt plate on it, right? Easy money.
I might get one myself.
Yeah, should make you a kickstand.
Yeah, so, you know, I think Tyler is going to be a good, like, guy on my channel to talk about stuff. You know, I've done some videos about batteries and whatnot, but I just talk at a surface level. You know, he talks at a technical level, but we'll bring it up a little bit. We'll try to find a happy medium.
Right. We'll take it deep, but we won't take it too deep.
Exactly.
Right. We'll find the right balance there.
Exactly. So, anyway, we're gonna do some cross pollination of channels. Put some of my stuff on his and his on mine.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna link to his channel, and yeah, we'll just you'll be seeing more of both of us.
Absolutely.
So thanks for watching.